Hi everyone, today from my kitchen I'm gonna show you how we can prepare samosa dough. So before Ramadan, in Ramadan we're gonna use it a lot, so I'm sure that you're gonna like it. It's so crispy and crunchy from outside. And today I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that we can use in this dough. So in a big bowl we need like 2 cups of flour. By the way, all the ingredients with the measurements are listed down in the description box if you want to give it a try, and I'm sure that you will like it. Okay, so we added flour, corn flour, and a little bit of salt, mix them all together. And after this we're gonna add some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. By the way, you can use cannoli oil or vegetable oil. And now mix them very good. When we finish, so this is the consistency that we need. Okay, and now I'm gonna add like a warm water. So for the 2 cups of flour we need like 3/4 of the cup warm water. Then mix the dough very good, knead it very good until you have soft and gorgeous dough. Okay, so here we go. Doesn't need too much ingredients and it's so easy to be prepared at home. And the dough now is ready. Cover it or leave it in the bowl and cover it with a cling film or wherever you want, like half an hour, and let it rest half an hour. Okay, so after this we're going to start working. And by the way, the dough, no need to add to it any baking soda or baking powder or yeast. No need to add all the yeast stuff. So only these ingredients: flour, corn flour, and salt. That's it. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, the dough is so soft and so easy to be worked with it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave those aside and start working with this one. By the way, the filling is meat, saute onion, then add minced meat, cook them very good, add peas, green peas, okay, salt and peppers, and you can use any kind of filling that you want: chicken, potatoes, za'atar, cheese, anything. But my kids like the meat samosa. And by the way, in Ramadan I'm gonna make lots of samosa with different filling. Okay, here we go. So after we start working with the dough, as you can see, it's super easy and super soft, easy to be work with it. So fill it, and as you can see, we have a small bowl contain water. Dip your finger with the water and add them to the edges. So while we close the sambusa, never ever open while you fry it. Do this with a fork if you want. This is optional, but it will give a nice shape. And here we go. So let's go now to start frying the sambusa in a deep, very hot oil. Start frying the samosa. We need like 1 to 2 minutes. As you can see, the color looks so beautiful and looks so crunchy and delicious and super easy to be prepared. Hope that will help, guys. I hope you like this recipe. Please try it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it or no. And thanks so much for you watching, for your likes, and look at this beautiful samosa. I told you, it's so crunchy and tastes so yummy. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and I will see you soon. Don't forget to try this recipe. Check the comment or check the description box down below for the ingredients. And see you soon, guys. By the way, Ramadan Kareem. And thank you. Bye.